Good morning, guys. So here today I am with a Ps3 Super Slim, and the power and the HDMI cables are connected. So I think it has not been serviced for so long. So let's check for its fault. Here is a red standby light. I turned it on, but unfortunately there is no more display on the screen. So let's try to fix it. It is turning off properly, so maybe the fault is in the section of HDMI. It's in the coupling coils that are between the HDMI output port and the HDMI encoder chip. So let's see. We also have to remove the antenna cables from the motherboard and the fan jack too. Yes. And now the motherboard is out. So much dust. But here we need to check these coils. These are the 8 coils network that must be in order with the resistance of 1 ohm. So let's check it first. It is 12 ohm, not good. Second is 1.2, good. Third is 1.2, good. And the fourth is 1.2, good. And fifth 1.1, good. Sixth 1.3, good. And the 7 number is, but it's fine, but the first number is not good. It is at 16 ohm. That should also be at the value of 1 ohm or 1.1 ohm. So we will bridge it. We need to bridge this coil. And furthermore, we can check for the HDMI port, and it seems fine. So let's make a jumper on this first coil. As it was not as easy to make a single jumper on this network resistor, so I removed the whole network resistance like here and put the jumpers on all 4 coils of this network resistor. So these I have put the jumpers, each jumper on each coil. So now we will test it. And like this, you must apply it here, somehow here, and as well here and here. That's enough. That's good. And I will put it back on its assembly. need to screws this screw. And here I will put the HDD. Yes. And here I need the power on off strip, this one. And here I will use my workbench power supply jacks. Even you can use another power supply from the Ps3 Slim like this. And we must careful about the polarity of this jack. This side is negative and this is positive. This one is negative and this one is positive. So I will put this like this, and I will turn it on. Here you can see the light, standby light. Now I'm going to turn it on, but before turning it on we must connect the HDMI cable. And here, but this button is not working anymore. Yes. And here we will go for the display. And yes, hopefully it is fine. So guys, it was a little tip for you. Whenever this Ps3 Super Sim is not giving the display, we can jump to these. But I think there is one more fault. You can make a jumper on the inductor coils or the coupling coils that are bad, and you will be good to go. So thank you very much and goodbye.